Assalamualaikum. Today's video is all about mastering essential Arabic vocabulary related to the human body, from eye and nose to chest, leg, even molar. We've got you covered. These are the words you need to know for everyday conversations. And by the end of this video, you will be able to confidently use them in your own discussions. So, whether you are learning Arabic for the first time or looking to expand your vocabulary, stick around until the end of this video to become a body vocabulary masters. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump into our main content, essential Arabic body vocabulary. We are going to cover a variety of words that you need to know for everyday conversation. For each word, we'll provide the Arabic word and its English meaning. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Ainun, eye, anfun, nose, famun, mouth, قلب, heart, رسغ, wrist, يد, hand, إصبع, finger, رجل, leg, شعر, hair, أذن, ear, رقبة, neck, صدر, chest, ذراع, arm, أصابع, fingers, قدم, foot, وجه, face, ظفر, nail, lisanun, tongue, dirsun, molar, ظهر, back. Let's see the sentence examples. شعري أسود وطويل. My hair is black and long. شعري consists of the noun شعر, which means hair, and the suffix ya, indicating first person singular possessive form, meaning my. Ya is first person singular possessive dhamir that is added to the end of a noun to indicate possession. So, sha'ri means my hair. Aswad. Aswad is noun, means black, and is modifying the noun sha'ri. Aswad is masculine and singular noun in the nominative case. Wa means and. Wa is called harf ataf or conjunction that connect two or more words. Tawil means long, and it is also modifying the noun sha'ri. Tawil is masculine and singular noun in the nominative case. So, sha'ri aswad wa tawil means my hair is black and long. Ahmad لديه وجه جميل. Ahmad has a good face. Or you can say Ahmad is handsome. Ahmad. Ahmad is ism alam or proper noun. Proper noun refers to the name of a specific person, thing, or place. لديه لديه consists of preposition lada and pronoun ha that refers to third person, singular and masculine. So لديه means he has. Wajhun means face. Jamil means beautiful or good. Wajhun jamilun. Jamilun is the adjective. The adjective jamil is modifying the noun wajhun. So wajhun jamilun means beautiful face or pretty or handsome for a man. So Ahmad ladayhi wajhun jamil means Ahmad is handsome or Ahmad has a good face. Congratulations! You have just expanded your Arabic vocabulary by mastering essential body words. In this video, we covered a range of vocabulary including eye, nose, chest, leg, molar, etc. Remember to practice using these words in sentences so you can confidently use them in everyday conversations. But don't stop here. If you are hungry for more vocab and want to continue your Arabic language journey, make sure to check out our related playlists on Kitab al-Asas. There, you will find more videos like this one, covering a range of vocabulary topics to help you master the language. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in expanding your Arabic vocabulary. We will see you in the next one. Wassalamu alaikum.